Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to promote your property on booking.com. So please watch to the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on booking.com, you could use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, booking.com is a website where you can list your properties online so that people can book your property online, any property, whether it's a hotel, resort, etc., something, a rent home, residential hotel. Yeah, all of that you can add them right here so that people can book them online. And also you can promote it right here. So how you can promote it? So first, let's go to booking.com first and make sure that you log in with your partner account. So if you don't have a partner account, just go to this website and create a partner account. Sign up for a partner account, and right here, right there, you will be asked for your personal details, and it's just easy. And after you're done, after verifying your account using your Gmail, you will be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, you can now register your property, but for now, I'm not going to register my property since I'm just going to show you how to, run or promote your property. So yeah, so right here on the partnerbooking.com, if you go to homepage, as you can see, you can become partner right here. So you can see right here on the top side, there will be a grow your business tab that you can click. So as you can see, you can grow your avenues. You can have strategies to grow your business. So looking to improve the result, explore strategies designed to help you increase bookings, boost revenue, and get reviews so you can succeed on the platform. And you can select your current business goal and get actionable tips on getting found, viewed, and booked on booking.com. So as you can see, you can check your foundation, set your property listing up for success. You can increase your bookings. You can make target valuable travelers, and you can also improve visibility and ranking. So this is the solution for this goal. So you can find your solution for your goals. So as you can see, if you want to grow your revenue, if you want to ease your workload, if you want to deliver great experience, this how can I call this? These tabs right here where you can click it, this will show you how to do it. So for now, since we are promoting our property, we go to this grow your revenues, and you can choose any of these option solutions that you can read and you can follow so that you can improve or promote your property. So you can use US state rates, you can tap into pent up domestic demand, you can create as many rates as you need, and you can target important US travel dates. For the children rates, you can apply this too. You can increase family bookings by up to 50%. You can make flexibility and control over your prices. You can have greater transparency for your guests. You can stand out from the competition. And for the other solution, you can just read it out. But yeah, this is one of the best important, or one of the important solution if you want to promote your product. You need to apply US state rates and children rates. So it's up between those two, but you can use this option as well. And yeah, same thing with this. This is quite good. Room upsell, you can have more revenue with minimal effort. You can increase your average daily rate. You can have high demand rooms, and you can release it and can be resolved. So you can earn extra revenue by upselling your available rooms. So now let's choose one of the solutions. So if you click on one of the solutions right here, so as you can see, this solution right here, targeting promotion helps you reach specific travelers and market based on your occupancy goals. So yeah, with a strong growth in this domestic travel and increased demand for vacation home, the booking.com introduced US state rates to help the users to capitalize on this demand and target travelers across any state. So whether attracting local guests or drivers passing through, long stays from travelers flying in, you can now set up deals and discounts at a more focused level. So yeah, you can now add US state rates for your your properties. So yeah, you can just click it and you will go to your properties that you listed, and right there you can just apply this there. And yeah, after that you can go use other solution like children rates. Same thing again, click on it, and you can just uh, you know see to its description. And yes, if you want to set up children rates, you can do so. Same thing again, just click it and you will be redirected to your property that you have listed. Make sure that your property is legitimate and trusted. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, as you can see, after you're done with that, you can just go to Extranet. You can search Extranet right here. So as you can see, Extranet is one of the booking.com features that lets you manage your listed property. So yeah, it is an administrative dashboard that helps you manage your property. So you can learn how to access your account with step-by-step guide for first-time login, password recovery, and login from new devices. So you also need to read this part right here so that you know how to manage properly your property in booking.com, since booking.com is very strict when it comes to properties. So some minor mistakes can lead to your account being locked. So yeah, be careful to not input some suspicious information about your uh, what do you call this, properties, so that you can promote it you know properly and clean. And yes, that's it. That's all of the that's all you can do to promote your or to increase the activity of your property, to increase your sales, to increase your earnings. That's how you can do it. You can just the booking.com offers solutions that you can use right here, and there will be more. You can just click show more and they will show uh, more solutions that you can use. And yeah, that's it. So it's not just about growing your revenue. You can also use this, you can also find solution to ease your workload and deliver a great experience. So yeah, any of these three tabs you can use this one to promote your property on booking.com. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.